Today we are going to walk through whole process Bodily straight. We will start off with hair quality consultation. This is to identify if our customer is suitable for Bodily straight. So now we already done the consultation and hair wash. The next step, we will apply the softener to the hair. And this is the only part we will involve the chemical. And the chemical quantity is 90% lower than the rebonding chemical. Now we already complete the application and we have to wait about 40 to 45 minutes. Now we have washed off the softener and we will add on treatment to moisturize the hair. This is to set a treatment foundation for later process. After the foundation have done, we finishing up the hair straightening with a lower temperature. Okay, if you are thinking to straighten your hair in a natural look, click the link below to contact us.